Real police body cam ahead. Shared for educational and documentary use under fair use.
Beating up, man. Listen, I'm getting on that. I'm not refusing. Y'all trying to kill me. Don't fight me, man. Get on the ground. Don't fight me. Stop. Don't fight me. He don't stop on the fight me. He don't stop on the fight me.
In this clip, a mother's quick thinking and an old iPod changed everything. Watch as the desperate mother runs up to the patrol car. She shows the officer the GPS location from her daughter's iPod on her phone. Every second matters, and she knows it. Without hesitation, the officer radios the team.
You're up, look around Mogul Street and Evans Street.
Starts the engine and heads toward the location.
I got the car, Peoples and RDA.
People know it. Yeah, information of GSP radio.
Go.
You cut off on Peoples.
Give me the air. Peoples northbound towards Oak Street. GSP is behind him. GSP pit. Show me your fucking hands. Get the fuck out the car. Open the fucking door. Open the fucking door.
So you're trying to kill us. You're trying to kill us. Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill us. Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill me. Why would y'all do that, man?
Get out.
Please don't. Don't beat me up, man. Listen, I'm getting on that. I'm not refusing. Y'all trying to kill me. Don't fight me, man.
Get on the ground.
Don't fight me. Stop. Don't fight me. He don't stop on the fight me. He don't stop on the fight me. Please stop. Can y'all please?
Put your hands
Can
down.
y'all please? I didn't have to actually read it to us. He hit us. That's messed up. He hit us. He's trying to kill us. He hit us. That's messed up. Oh, please not mess up with me.
Everyone thanks for your help, GSP. Appreciate you coming over also. Over here.
He hit us. That's messed up.
4144 radio. Supervisor out on the 21.
They find the missing girl, scared but alive. The suspect is arrested on the spot.
She's right. She. Come here. I can show you where she's at. I can show you. The phone is in the car. My phone is in the car. Please. Yes.
Okay, you did it.
No.
You did a good job. Man.
No.
You did a good job, man.
Excuse me.
You okay?
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Yeah, we're good.
What do you think? Did the mom's quick thinking save her daughter's life? Tell us in the comments. And subscribe for more real body cam rescues and true stories.